Hello everyone, today I'm making shrimp sauce. I invite you to come to the kitchen with me. I will show you how. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I like to share what I know with you. So I have the list of ingredients on the screen. You can stop there and see. So I use green sea salt here, but if you don't have them, you can use normal salt. So first I soak my shrimps. This is dried shrimps. You just need to soak about 30 minutes and they are soft for you to do the next step. Don't soak too long. That's my experience. The other day I wanted to do a soak and I forgot about it, and after 2 days they went bad. I needed to throw away. So now I started to peel my garlics. So the garlic peel, I use the method. I cut the top end, the root end, and then I pull the peel from there. I want to keep them whole so that the oil in the garlic is still intact. It don't bleach out, because I don't want my mixture to wet when I dry on the skillet. Now after I peeled them on, I'm cutting them into 5 pieces, just like so. You wait to see how I'm cutting my garlics. I like to tell you this salt is originated from Ninh province that border with Cambodia. That place is an inland province, nothing to do with the sea. They have they don't produce sea salt, they don't produce shrimps, but they invented this kind of salt. Very funny. But anyway, I give them credit because the salt is so delicious, and it took the country by storm. Everybody love this salt. So you can see now I cut off the stem of the chilies and I deseeded them. Anytime I use chili, I remove the seed. I don't want the seed fall into my intestine or something like that. It's bad for your body. It depends on the level of your spiciness. I use 100 grams of chili here, but only 2 pieces small chili in my hand right now are spicy. The rest is very mild, just for color. So it depends on you, on your level of heat. You can use more or less of your spicy chili. So after I decided, I cut them lengthwise and I return sideways and cut the chili into small fine pieces, just like so. Now I have garlic chopped chili chopped. Now I chop the shrimp. At this point, drain the shrimp. They already get soft, so it's pretty easy to chop the shrimp down into finer pieces as well. You can see without any machine, you can do by hand like me, because I try to do without any machine. If you have a food processor or a meat grinder or a spice grinder, you can put the ingredients in them and bowls or grind, and it will be faster for you. But I try to do without any machine, any food processor, to show you that without any instrument you can do by hand. And once you do at home like so, it's satisfied cleanliness, because you know that you wash everything, every ingredient is clean and come from a good source. And the rumor say that some places they produce shrimp sauce without any shrimp. They use the color, or they use the shrimp head, or they use only shrimp shells, anything like that. So when you make it at home, you can avoid any of these suspicion. So this is real ingredients, real work. So after I'm done chopping everything, I mix them up, and now I put on the skillet. Remember to use a very low heat. You don't want to burn them, you just want to dry them. So you stir for about 40-45 minutes under low heat, and they get dried. Now the time you can add your seasoning. I add 2 tablespoons of sugar here, but people will add MSG, chicken powder, pork powder, mushroom powder, any enhancement, flavor enhancement. So it's up to you. It's on your kitchen, it's on your dish, so you can act accordingly. You love the taste of MSG, go ahead. So my mixture already dry. The good thing that if I live in the place a lot of sunshine, so I put my tray of mixture in the sun for a day. And now I like the texture a little finer, so I put in the pestle and mortar and pound them a little bit, and you can see they are finer looking, and I can keep them in the container and for a long time to use. You can dip it with vegetables, fruits, etc. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.